Hi.
Ay, i-massage ko agad mo.
Ay, kung kailan ako nag-vlog, saka siya I'm gonna do a little unboxing that no one asked for. This one, nanginginig yung boses ko, has got to be one of the best birthday gifts this year. Ta-da! It's baby. Matching magnet. Ta-da! Amazing! And a phone case.
Ang bagay ng leaves.
And then, that's not all. Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
Tingin.
Grabe namang ganda ko naman dito sa picture na to. Kung sino man nag-edit. Thank you so much. Best gift ever! Thank you! Thank you, Ting Ting. We went around Songsu. Oh, these are the perfumes. I think I paid $94
What?
for this activity in Songsu. And then what you get is a bottle of your custom perfume. This is 50 mils, and then you also get a roll-on. Ta-da! Discount coupon, 20% off. Anyone want it? Ganyan siya. Basta ang ganda ng system. It's all on an iPad, and then you just follow it. You know, eto, yung roll-on ko, tsaka yung ganito ko, magkaiba ng amoy. Kasi hindi ko sinusunod yung... hindi ko sinusunod yung ratio nila. I really wanted the smell of... It's a Diptyque scent. I forgot Dosan. Yung Dosan na scent ng Diptyque. I really want to replicate. I really wanted to replicate that, but I wasn't able to. Si Brent, being who he is, in-stick niya dito yung... Ay, nako. Galing mo talaga, Dong, no?
No.
Galing talaga ni Dodong. Talagang basta. Tapos pinangalanan niya ng Ang Bango. Oh, the best. The best talaga yung utak nitong tao to.
Amuyin mo. Sige.
Kasi pag inamoy mo raw, ang bango. May spring nga.
Amuyin mo. Oh, sino sa dalawang perfume mas mabango ngayon? Aminin mo dyan sa vlog mo.
You know what yours smells like? It smells like Downy.
Oh. Kasi,
It really smells like Downy.
inspired daw sa mga bagong
Oh.
labang damit eh.
Proud na proud siya talaga sa scent niya. Per bango daw. Oh, you keep yours.
Ilagay mo sa...
Ang galing, may manufacturing date, may... Sabi ng fragrance description ko is citrus, floral, and moss. I didn't even put moss.
Mask?
Moss. Moss is different from musk. Amoy downy talaga yung sa kanya. Yung akin naman. Like, gosh. Mine smells good, Dodong.
Oh.
Mine smells expensive. Yeah. It smells like a little bit like Diptyque. Kasi nga, I kinda changed it.
Smells like Joe Malone eh.
It smells expensive. Yeah. Tapos yung roll-on ko, iba rin yung amoy. Kasi iniba ko rin yung timpla niya.
Bango na sa'yo, babes.
This one I'm really excited about. I was just walking around Songsu and then I saw My Melody and I remembered my favorite, Mari and Kanchi. So I got them these. They're lip glosses. One for Amari, one for Ken. Tapos binudol ako ni ate. Sabi niya, oh, you spend like $2 more, you get like the keychains. Pero yung pinaka-cheapest sa store nila was $9. So, napabili ako nito for $9 para makuha ko to. Tsaka, this one. This one's a cellphone, but it's a mirror. Ano ba yung freebie? Yun lang yun. Nag-spend ako nun para lang dito. Ay, ito. This one! Ayan siya. Basta naging siya sa bag. Ano bag ko? I have the best bag charm. Look at this. Isn't it the best? Ganyan siya. So, ilalagay natin ito dito. Ganon. Ting! Anik-anik. I like it. Okay. And then, bought my SW19 stack. This is my scent. As of now. Let's cover it. I don't like sharing my scents when I'm still using it. Yun lang. That's all the purchases for today.
Meron pa, babes.
What else?
Yung salted bread.
Ah, wala na. Nakain na namin. Yan lang. We should go downstairs. Anong oras na ba? It's only 9:46.
10 o'clock may re-review na ako.
Oh, mag-work pa siya, so. That's it for today's video. Bye!